Hello children, my name's Jess. How are you today? Are you ready to start our letters and sounds lesson? I'm ready. Firstly, let's read some phonemes you know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. This first card says and this digraph says qu. Now it's your turn. Are you ready? Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. A E I O U R O Ow Ear Air Your Right, I'm going to mix the cards up. Can you read the graphemes on the cards out loud? Are you ready? Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Your O U R O A E I Ow Oi Ear Air. Well done, super sounds. Let's read some multi-syllabic words with graphemes we already know. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is qu. Sound out and blend. I, qu, I, d. Liquid. Water is liquid. Sound out and blend. V, I, s, I, t. Visit. He went to visit his new school. Can you spot the digraph in this word? Yes, the digraph is k. Sound out and blend. P, O, k, E, t. Pocket. He found a penny in his pocket. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraphs are t and Sound out and blend. B, E, t, Better. Great reading. I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards without any help? Let's check. Read them with me. Pocket. Visit. Better. Liquid. Wow, great reading. Today we're going to practice reading compound words with a grapheme we already know. A compound word is when two words put together make a new word. Like the words tooth and brush, when we put them together it makes the word toothbrush. Let's hear the two words in each of these compound words. Copy me. Bed, room, bedroom. Can you hear the two words? Bed, room. Now let's hear the two words in this compound word. Copy me. Farm, yard. Farmyard. Can you hear the two words? Farm, yard. Let's sound talk a compound word this time with the phoneme oo. Copy me. Oo, f, t, up. Oo, f, t, up. You have a go. Oo, f, t, up. Rooftop. She could see everything from the rooftop. Now let's sound talk a compound word with the phoneme oi. Copy me. T, I, n, f, oi, all. T, I, n, f, oi, all. You have a go. T, I, n, f, oi, all. Tinfoil. He wrapped his sandwich in tinfoil. Okay, let's try sound talking a compound word with the phoneme oo. Copy me. B, e, d, r, oo, B, e, d, r, oo, Your turn. B, e, d, r, oo, Bedroom. Mum asked me to tidy my bedroom. Well done. It can be tricky to blend compound words because they are longer, which is why we must listen very carefully to the sounds. Okay, I want you to read some compound words now with graphemes we already know. When I point to the graphemes, I want you to say to the sounds. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is oo. Sound out and blend. Oo, f, roof, t, up, top, rooftop. She could see everything from the rooftop. Can you spot the digraphs in this word? Yes, both digraphs are. Sound out and blend. Farm, yard, farmyard. The new lambs were in the farmyard. Can you spot the digraph in this word? Yes, the digraph is O. B-O-T, boat, man, boatman. The boatman works on the river. Can you spot the digraph in this word? Yes, the digraph is oi. oi, all. Tinfoil. He wrapped his sandwich in tinfoil. Can you spot the digraph in this word? Yes, the digraph is oo. B-e-d, bed, oo, room. Bedroom. I tidied my bedroom. Great reading, children. I'm going to mix the words up now. Can you read the words on the cards without any help? Are you ready? Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Bedroom, boatman, rooftop, tinfoil, farmyard. Well done. They were long words, weren't they? Can you read these again without any help? Let's check. Read them with me. Bedroom, boatman, rooftop, tinfoil, farmyard. Well done. Because they're so tricky, I think I should mix the cards up again. Can you read the words again without any help? Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Boatman, rooftop, bedroom, tinfoil, farmyard. Wow, these are getting harder, aren't they? You have really impressed me. Well done. We're going to practice reading the tricky words her, all, are, to. Now, I know you know how to read this tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is says Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Her. Well done. Can you remember the tricky bit of this word? Yes, the tricky bit is says or. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Or, all. Well done. I know you know how to say this word as well. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is says are. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Ah. You know how to read this tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the letter says oo. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. T, oo, two. Now, let's read them quickly. I'm going to mix them up and I want you to read them aloud. Now, let's read them together. Ah, her, two, all. Did you get them right? Super reading of your tricky words. Well done. Let's read some sentences with compound words. Have a look at this one. Now, to find a compound word, we need to look for two words put together to make a new word. Can you see any of those compound words? This one's a compound word. I can see two words joined together to make a new word. Can you see any other compound words? Yes, this word and this word are both compound words because they have two words put together to make one word. Can you see any tricky words we already know? Yes, this is a tricky word we already know. Now, I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. And remember to sound out any words you're not sure of. Are you ready? Let's go. Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. She can look from her bedroom and see the farmyard and the rooftops. Whew, that was a long sentence, wasn't it? Let's read it again. Read with me as I point to the words. She can look from her bedroom and see the farmyard and the rooftops. I would like to be able to see a farmyard from my bedroom window. Great reading of that sentence, children. Let's have a look at this one. Can you see a compound word in this sentence? Yes, this is a compound word because there are two words put together to make one word. Can you see any other compound words? Well done. This is also a compound word. I can see two words put together to make one word. Can you see any tricky words we already know? Yes, this word and this word are tricky words we already know. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. And remember, sound out any words you're not sure of. Let's go. Excellent reading. Another long sentence. Now, let's read the sentence together. She put all the carrots in tinfoil for the boatman to have for dinner. Let's read it one more time. Read with me as I point to the words. She put all the carrots in tinfoil for the boatman to have for dinner. I wonder what else he was having with the carrots. Wow, great reading, children. Now let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need your paper and something to write with. Let's spell 2 compound words with our review sounds. Let's spell bedroom. Segment the sounds with me. Bedroom. B, e, d, r, u, m. Let's count how many sounds there are. B, e, d, r, u, m. That's 6 sounds. Watch me write bedroom. And remember, I need 6 sounds. The first sound is B. E. D. R. U. Bedroom. 6 sounds. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Remember, there's 6 sounds to write down. Don't forget the digraph. Ooh. Right, let's check that your word looks the same as mine. Have you got all those 6 sounds? B, e, d, r, u, m. If not, you can change it. Right, let's spell tinfoil. Segment the sounds with me. Tinfoil. T, I, n, f, oi, all. Let's count how many sounds there are. T, I, n, f, oi, all. That's 6 sounds. Watch me write tinfoil. Remember, I need 6 sounds. My first sound is T. I. N. Oi. Oh. Tinfoil. Remember, 6 sounds. You have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. There's 6 sounds to write. And don't forget the digraph. Oi. Okay, shall we check our spelling? Does your word look the same as mine? Did you get all 6 sounds? T, I, N, F, Oi, all. Well done. Okay, now let's spell some tricky words. We've spelled the word R before. Let's practice spelling it again. Segment the sounds with me. R, R. Let's count how many sounds there are. R. 1 sound. Watch me write R. R. You have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? Write them down. That 1 sound. Okay, shall we check our spelling? Did you write the tricky bits correctly? Change it if you need to. Did you get the 1 sound? Well done. Let's spell another tricky word. We've spelled the word to before. Let's practice spelling it again. Segment the sounds with me. To, t, oo. Let's count how many sounds there are. T, oo. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write 2. It's tricky because the letter O says oo. Watch me. T, oo. That's 2 sounds. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The letter O says oo. Write them down. The 2 sounds. Okay, should we check our spelling? Did you get the tricky bits? Does your word look the same as mine? 2 sounds. T, oo. Well done, children. You have really impressed me with your reading and spelling of compound words. Give yourself a pat on the back. See you tomorrow. Bye.